Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. This is actually part 2 to the part 1 of me removing all my Thanksgiving decor. If you have not yet checked that video out, please do. I will go ahead and put an iCard for you to see that. But as you see, I'm actually taking out the Christmas decorations now. I really tried to stick to budget this year. So my plan was to just use what I have. I did purchase a few things from Hobby Lobby as well as Home Goods, I believe. I did not get as many cushions as I wanted to, but listen, budgeting is budgeting. So I wanted to stick to that, being that we have so many other things going on within the house. So I just had to make it work. In this video, you're going to see me go from putting up one decor and then changing it to another decor, and then the final results are probably going to be another way that I set it up. So it's I wasn't really feeling doing this video. I don't know, like what I wanted the house to look like, it wasn't coming together, especially because I was on budget, so it was kind of putting me in a funk. So I just did the best that I can, which I'll explain later on in the video. So my apologies, because the final result you're not going to see on camera, because I actually did not record, even like putting up the stockings and stuff like that. But I just wanted to go ahead and stick to the fact that I did put a part 1, and I have to obviously show you guys what I did as a result of removing the Thanksgiving decor. So I hope you enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell, that whenever a new upload is uploaded, you will be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.
let it snow, let